السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا وسهلا إلى مركز العلوم والحكمة Remote Study. Welcome to the fourth part of our lesson series in Qur'an. I am Mudaris Sulaiman Ali. Happy listening. Surah An-Nas. Surah An-Nas, the chapter of mankind. Surah An-Nas, the chapter about mankind. Ayatuha, the number of its verses. Ayatuha, the number of its verses. Sittun, there are 6 verses in Surah Al-Fatiha. Sittun, there are 6 verses in Surah Al-Fatiha. Tartibuha, number of the chapter from the Noble Qur'an. Tartibuha, number of the chapter from the Noble Qur'an. Arba'ata ashara wa mi'a. Arba'ata ashara wa mi'a. It is chapter 114. Arba'ata ashara wa mi'a. It is chapter 114. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Wahid, number 1. A'udhu billah. I am seeking protection from Allah. Mina shaitan, against the devil. Ar-Rajim, the one rejected by Allah. Ithnan, number 2. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Ar-Rahman, the inclusively merciful. Ar-Rahim, the exclusively merciful. Thalatha, number 3. Kul, say. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was being commanded by Allah to say, Kul, say. A'udhu, I am seeking protection. Bi Rabbin Nas, from the Lord of mankind. So if you want to be protected against the evil of mankind, so you ask the creator of mankind to protect you against their evil, because he knows more about them than you do. Kul, say. A'udhu, I am seeking protection. Bi Rabbin Nas, from the Lord of mankind. Arba'a, number 4. Malikin Nas, the king of mankind. Malikin Nas, the king of mankind. Remember, Malik means king, while Malik means the owner. Malik, the owner. Malikin Nas, the king of mankind. Khamsa, number 5. Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind. Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Udrus, learn. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Udrus, study. Walahis, and observe at the same time. Mufradun, singular. Muthanna, dual. Jamu, plural. Mufrad, singular. This is a word in Arabic that means only one. Muthanna, dual. This is a word in Arabic that means only two. Jamu, plural. This is a word in Arabic that means more than two. From 3 upward. A plurality in Arabic starts from 3 upward, unlike English, where it starts from 2 upward. Mudhakkarun, masculine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a male person or a male object. Just like the verb, kul, say, can only be used to command a single male person to say. So if they are two, all you need to do is to attach alifun to the last letter. So the verb kul will now become kula. Kula. So our lost wawun can now be retained, because the lamun is now taking fataha, no longer sukun. So we can now retain our lost wawun. So the verb kul will now become kula, which means you should both say. Kul is for one single male person, while kula is for 2 male persons. So if there are more than 2, all you need to do is to attach wawun to the last letter of the verb kul. So then we retain our lost wawun. So the verb kul will now become kulu. Kulu, you should all say, commanding a group of male persons. Remember that wawun was taking sukun and the lamun was also taking sukun. The reason why the wawun was omitted in kul was because two letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic at the same time. Now that lamun is taking fataha or lamun is taking doma, we can now retain our lost wawun. La'alaka fahimt? As we have it in kula and kulu, you should all say. So you may ask me, the alifun written there after the wawun, what is it doing there? The alifun is only telling you that the wawun written before me is not part of the verb. Rather, it is an extra letter. Mu'annasun feminine. This is a word in Arabic that represents a female person or a female object. Just like the verb, kuli can only be used to command a single female person to say kuli. So if there are more than two, use the same form of the verb. Kula, you should both say. So if there are two, you use kula. If there are two, use the same form of the verb. Kula, you should both say. So if there are more than two, you go and replace yaun in kuli with nunun carrying fataha. Then you give sukun to the letter before it, before the nun, being lamun. Now that lamun is taking sukun, what do you think is going to happen to the wa? Wawun is going to be omitted because two letters carrying sukun will never meet in Arabic language. Wawun was also taking sukun. Now that lamun is taking sukun, we cancel the wa. So the verb kuli will now become kulna. Kulna, you should all say, commanding a group of female persons. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Now revision exercise. Read and translate the following verses 7 times in your dialect or in English. Bismillah, in the name of Allah. Ar-Rahman, the inclusively merciful. Ar-Rahim, the exclusively merciful. Kul, say. A'udhu, I am seeking protection. Bi Rabbin Nas, from the Lord of mankind. Malikin Nas, the King of mankind. Ilahin Nas, the God of mankind. La'alaka fahimt? I hope you understand. MashaAllah. Subhanak Allahumma wa bihamdik. Ashhadu an la ilaha illa ant. Astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Ma'as salama wa ila liqa'in akhar.